it's Trace. I had to paint these lampshades, so I thought I'd get on here and show you how I did it. This is one that just got painted. It's in vintage duck egg blue in Dixie Belle. And this is the other one. I had picked these up, gosh, I don't even remember, at a thrift store, junk store, somewhere. But I was so excited because there was two that matched. But I'm gonna paint these, and then I think I'm gonna do some IOD on them. But first I'm gonna paint them. I think I'm gonna make them light pendants. I think they'll be really neat. I could see them hanging on each side of someone's bed. So let me go ahead and turn this down. Okay, get up here. There we go. All I do is I take a brush, I've got a little mister bottle, and I've got my paint. I've got a bunch of paint opened up here. I like to find the seam in the back because then I know when I've been, you know, if I've gone around and stuff. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just give a little part of this a mist. Because, you know, it'd take you a minute to get over there. So I'm just gonna give that lots of water. This will move, it'll make it move. Here, let me hold this out of the way. All right. So just, it's not soaking wet, it's just slightly damp. So, and I was surprised too because the inside of these aren't cracked, and I keep telling myself when I'm painting them to take it easy so you don't crack them. I will paint the insides. I like to take the copper patina paint or bronze, but mainly copper because it's a little brighter. And the metallic, the gold metallic works good too. And paint it on the inside. But I'm gonna do that as a last step because I'm gonna do some stuff with the IOD stamps on the outside. So get a bunch more water. It's just, this is, this too, let me show you. It has a light, let's see, oh, there you go. You can see that there. It has a light weave on it. So it's silk. So if anybody ever asks if you could paint on silk, well, yes, you can. So, but the other one I only did one coat. So I'm gonna try to just do one coat on this one too. I know, I hate to do that. I'll have it all the way up to the top of my arm. Okay, and I'm just gonna keep going around. And I think these are gonna be really cute. Oop. Don't worry about that on the inside because, like I said, I'm going to paint inside, so I will just wipe it off at least. All right. I painted the other one and it didn't quite take this long. This sucker here is dry for some reason. It's just soaking up the water. Okay. there could possibly be something on there, because to be truthful, I did not wash them. I just started, you know, I dusted them off with a rag and I just started painting. They didn't look that bad. Just normal wear and tear, and they don't have an odor or anything, so I didn't, you know. These are going to be so pretty. I might even put a little bit of a whitewash on them too when I'm done. After I use the IOD furniture stamps on them, that's what I'm planning on. And I've got one started and I'm going to show you, but I'm going to do that in a different video, because I'll show you how you can color blend with the stamps. And you'll be like, it'll be amazing what you can do. Holy almost all the way around. Whoop. And there I did it. Darn it. But you know what? I can fix that. I have some stuff I'll put on there, and adhesive, and I'll just have to stamp over it. So that's it. It's really wet. I'm gonna sit it outside. It's a beautiful day, let it dry. But this is what I'm gonna come back in another video and do. Okay. This one here, this is the one I did that's dry, but look at that. I thought maybe I'd come back and we could talk about that. And see how I color blended with the flowers and put a little belly on the bird, and I did some of the leaves. I'm gonna do a bunch of more, you know, on this, but I just wanted to show you what you can do with these old lampshades when you see them in the thrift store or Goodwill or wherever. And you can get some furniture stamps, and you can decoupage on top of these too. So until the next time, bye.